Hello guys, welcome back. Hopefully you can hear me because it's ever so windy. So today, brought the Triumph with me, and today we are at St Benet's Abbey, which is just the other side of Wroxham if we were to say. So I'll just turn the camera around, I'll give you a little bit of information because there's a couple of boards here, and then we'll go into the explore, see what it's like here. So yeah, there's a bit of information here. Welcome to St Benet's Abbey, the only Norfolk monastery founded in the Anglo-Saxon period, which continues to be used throughout the Middle Ages. It is the only monastery, God I hope you can hear him behind this wind, it's the only monastery which was not closed down by Henry VIII, I believe it is. The Bishop of Norwich is still Abbot. So there's a bit of information here, we're walking down it, but there's also another information board here, so feel free to stop. What I'll do is I'll put a little bit more of information in the description below the video. I presume that's what it used to look like when the monastery was built, but there's now I think there's very small remains of this left, but there is the Georgian mill there. So let's have a look. And would you just look at that? Look how beautiful, the surroundings as well. You've got rivers and all that around. That's the entrance that you come in. You walk down a track. You see there's some more information boards over there. Absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look round, shall we? So the ride down here was really nice actually, despite the wind. A lot of it's all sort of main roads through Wroxham town, and yeah, you got another farm track. It starts getting a little bit gravelly-fied, but it's not bad. There is parking here as well. And look at that! Look how beautiful that is. So I'm presuming this is all part of the abbey, and then when it was disused, I'm presuming they put like a mill in the middle there. That archway is absolutely gorgeous, so the camera doesn't do it any justice. You can see there's a part here which unfortunately you can't, well I say unfortunately, you can actually go into the old mill here as well. Oh, we've got some pigeon friends. Hello pigeons. Unfortunately, it does look like there's quite a bit of graffiti on the wall where people have etched their bits in. Admittedly, some of it is probably quite old. And yet again, another massive archway. Absolutely stunning. Just about make out. There's some I might see if I can get the drone out around here, but the wind, I'm not sure if you can hear it, is quite high, so I don't know how well the drone's going to fly. I see a boat now coming up. So you can obviously gain access to this via boat as well, if you want. There's another part of wall there. Let's walk to the information bit. God, I know I say it quite a few times, but I would have, there's a CCTV camera there, look. Smile, hi. I know I've said that a couple of times before, but I would love to have been around when this was active. God, that wind. So this gives you some idea of how vast this place was. I didn't actually realise how big this site is. So obviously we're here, the car park is around here somewhere. Got the waterway come down here. So this is actually like a gatehouse where we are. Obviously they've put a mill in there. You can just see how big this place was. Give some more information there about the revolt that happened here in the late 13th century. But I just had to have a look inside, and there are some awesome carvings which, to be fair, I bet a lot of people miss. So we'll take you there now, because it is absolutely mind-blowing if you're into history today. Yeah. So yeah, obviously we're back inside. So this is part of the original gatehouse. This is obviously the mill. But if you look in the corners, looks like some sort of picture of a man with a spear, possibly holding someone's head. All the decoration. And if we go the other side, there's some sort of mythical beast, maybe a lion or a tiger, or even a dragon. You just about make it out. He's got his leg, his back. Looks like a long tail, possibly. Absolutely stunning. Everywhere you look, there's something different. The architecture and the time must have took forever. Right, so I'm now going to attempt to fly the drone. So I might share this footage, I may not. Hopefully I don't lose the drone. Yeah, hopefully that drone footage come out alright. You can see behind me now there's actually quite a few people around. So I thought I'd take a little walk, a little monument just down here. It's a big cross, I'll just show you. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it in the distance. There's a cross there, so I thought I'd investigate that. So yeah, when I was flying the drone, it's bloody windy. That did struggle a bit, to be honest with you. Lucky it's got one of them gimbal things on. I'm all new to this drone thing. So yeah, it flew quite nicely, to be honest with you. So yeah, hopefully it comes out alright. Trick, doesn't it? Got a nice boat. This boat's quiet, look at the boats in that one. So here it is, the cross. It's quite big. Plaque here that says the cross of England. This cross is of English oak from Sandringham, presented by Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth II, marks the site of High Altar of the Abbey, 2nd of August 1987. And I've noticed, if you look closer, it's covered in these 2Ps all the way around, quite high up as well. Must be like a good luck thing. A random penny there. 10Ps. Oh, it's windy. So you got some bits left over here. You can see some bits are left. Anyway guys, I'm going to see if I can try and get some more drone footage, just a bit of a play, and hopefully I'll put them in the video. Yeah, it's really nice here. It's a shame about the wind, but it is absolutely beautiful here. It really is. Might probably get some photos of the river if there's any boats go past and that. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a comment, whatever. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love you, bye.